Hey guys, I'm gonna be dealing today with a very common problem. I think most of you might have seen these tubes in your gardens and your backyards. This is an exhaust for the draining system of the house, and I actually have two in my yard. So uh, I was mowing the lawn, and this happened. This is a very common problem. So the mower destroyed this completely, so I really have to fix this. And today it's luckily it's just it's quite an easy fix. It just took a trip to Lowe's, and you can find all these pieces separately. This is the cap. This is the adjuster. I don't know how it's called, and this is gonna be the coupling of what I'm gonna be using to get this tube attached to the fix. So it's relatively simple. Also, it's also cheap. I spent let me see, less than 20 bucks in Lowe's, getting all the things that I needed to fix it. So we're just gonna get started. Okay, so first things I did is dig a little bit around the tube so that it's exposed. I'm able to work with it. One important thing to do is to check that there are no residues inside the tube. Like any of these pieces could have gone inside, so you just gotta make sure that there's nothing blocking. Because if there's a block there, then it's gonna go back into your house, and you don't want that happening. So first things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start cleaning this tube on the outside. I probably should have brought that. And I'm gonna try to make it as even as possible. Even it's not really important that it's absolutely even. So this was too flexible, so it was going down. So I had to switch to a better, more suitable tool. Much better tool. There. Okay. I'm making sure that there are no residues, so that these two pieces get coupled together. I have never done anything like this before, so I just went to Lowe's, and I figured they would have this piece, and luckily I found it. Then my next problem was, how am I gonna attach it to the tube that is already on the ground? That's where this coupler comes to play, and then I figured there would be something needed for it to stick together. I kept looking down the aisle, and I found this cement. See what happens. So it says here, square pipe ends, chamber, and remove all dirt. We'll wait on that. Apply purple primer to pipe and fitting. So purple primer, this one. That's stuff smells bad. It has its own applier in the can. Just make sure to cover all the area that's going to be in contact with the coupler. It's not covered bolt. do this process twice. Once for coupling this with that, with the tube, and for coupling it with the cap adjuster. And now, apply purple primer to pipe and fitting apply. Solvent cement to pipe and fitting. So I guess we don't have to wait it out, otherwise we just cancel. Tight and close. Now we're gonna apply the cement. Same thing. But now it says to attach with a quarter turn motion. So quarter turn motion, and that's it. So we have the coupler. That's gonna be a little bit taller than it used to be, but it doesn't matter. It's probably better because now the mower won't go over it and destroy it again. So hold for 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna apply my weight to it and wait for a bit. Looks like that's done. And now, rinse and repeat. Do the same thing, but with the this is actually very tight. It was really hard for me to turn it, so that's good because that means it's actually gonna stick together and it's not gonna have any leak problems or anything like that. And we're done. Looks like fix this in. So all we got to do is put the cap back in. Make sure that it's tight. All the way in. And that's it. A brand new, wherever this is. Alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching.